Hey everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. So today I am going to be creating a sort of metal looking pumpkin floral centerpiece for you. I got the inspiration off of Big Lots' website. They have this super cute metal pumpkin that I keep seeing in all their pictures and with their decor and everything. But for the life of me, I cannot find where they actually sell it at on their website. So I don't know, maybe they only sell it in the store. I haven't been to the store lately, so I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have been out fall shopping at Big Lots and have actually seen this metal pumpkin. I'd like to know. But anyways, I think I can kind of recreate it from Dollar Tree stuff. So I hope you stick around to find out how it turns out. Alright guys, so what you're going to need to make this pumpkin centerpiece is 2 of these wire hanging baskets. I got some of this black wire. It comes in a pack of 3 at Dollar Tree. It comes with black, red, and silver. I'm just using the black. And then some zip ties, which I also got from Dollar Tree. My wire cutters, scissors. I have a piece of chicken wire here, which you could use a piece of a wire waste basket at the Dollar Tree probably for this also, but I just have a ton of chicken wire left over, so that's what I'm using. And I'm gonna be spray painting this black, so it's not gonna matter what color it is. Piece of floral foam, and then a bunch of florals from the Dollar Tree that I've just picked up. So I don't know exactly what I'll be using, but that's it. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just take the hanging parts off of both baskets. The next step is to just take one basket and put it on top of the other one and just try to line up the lines as much as possible, and then I'm just going to zip tie both the baskets together. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is create the stem with the chicken wire here, and this is going to be where I attach the stem to, is this circle on what is now the top of our pumpkin. And I'm just going to take the bottom of my chicken wire here and just kind of wrap it around and try to get it the same size as this circle here, and then cut the rest of it off and then try to form it into a stem looking shape. Alright, so now that I have my stem kind of formed here and my pumpkin is put together, I am going to go give the stem a coat of black spray paint and then also a coat of black spray paint to the baskets here because the zip ties are clear and I don't want those to show. Now if you had black zip ties, then it would be fine and you wouldn't have to spray paint it, but I don't, so I need to go spray paint them, so I will be right back. Okay, so now everything is spray painted and dried, so now what I'm going to do is just take my stem and attach it to the circle up top here with this black wire. Alright, now I am just going to put the floral foam inside in the middle and then just fill it with a bunch of florals. Alright guys, I really love how my pumpkin turned out. I think it's super cute and I cannot wait to use it for my fall decor. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, bye bye!